Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to add workbench. If you want to add workbench in FreeCAD, you can go to Tools menu, click on Add-ons Manager. Will be show for Add-ons Manager dialog box. And in the search, you can type workbench. So there are a lot of options for the workbench. You can set a workbench organizer, add FC, or the other, like we can set a bill of material workbench. Like in here I will set into designs 456 FreeCAD workbench. After it, you can click the install button and it will be installing into your FreeCAD. After install complete, you can click OK, and then you can restart your FreeCAD software. Okay, that's it for a basic FreeCAD tutorial how to add workbench. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.